Well, yeah, right. That's the whole fucking idea. No, I'm gonna get everyone together. We're gonna figure it out. No, I'm not mad. It's annoying, you know?
Hey, it's the end of the hour.
How's everyone doing?
Good.
Interaction.
With the police?
No, Silver's people. They've been getting involved in our operations, redirecting routes, leading us into police traps. Stupid kindergarten shit.
It's getting to the point where we're starting to have to shut down certain key traffic points, move our units out of suspicion.
And if this keeps up, find out.
So we're done.
Absolutely not. We're just gonna have to get them out manually, and if that doesn't work, we always have their license plate numbers. We want to be snitches.
So, what are we doing?
You guys' beef. Ryan and I are getting our hands dirty.
Excuse me?
Adrian, Oliver, you guys are muscle.
What does that mean this time?
No big restaurant shootouts, no fucking Godfather shit. It's in the report.
What the fuck is this?
Making use of library printers. It's not cheap, it's 10 cents per page.
No. I'm not fucking reading this.
Are you fucking serious? What the
Serious?
fuck is
Let's
wrong
not
with
make
you?
this super fucking difficult, alright? Just read the damn sheet. It's the same as if I said that shit to you in person. And if you get lost, or if you fuck up, or something goes wrong, or anything, then you have a reference.
Yeah, but I don't think having a fucking paper trail would work out well for
Then
him.
fucking shred it. Alright, this is a response to our outrageous phone bills. I mean, I argue it's more dangerous to have you calling us all the time asking, do I shoot him in the dick or the ass?
Could you get off the floor, please?
What's it say?
Something fucked up.
Let's do this.
We'll talk about your place in this later.
Okay.
Evan, you can go home if you want. I think he can do it.
I'll just fucking do it.
No, man. Promise that little guy money. I want to make good on it.
Teenager.
Teenagers are the hardest workers in America. Got 5 of them working for us right now. And they're way more willing, and they're way more dedicated than Oliver, Adrian, you or me.
I just don't want this to end with me getting fucking shot.
Well, if it's not this, it's something else.
You made it. Yeah, you said 5, right?
Yeah, Henry's been really shit with time recently. Too much adrenaline and hair gel. Sinks into his skull.
So what's up?
Well, Ryan, why don't you explain? Because, you know, my judgment's just fucked up by the hair care product.
Funny. So we got some driving to do, and some heavy lifting. How much can you lift?
I don't know, but 40, 45?
45, whoa. Didn't expect that from you, no offense. So, there's gonna be, well, I guess only one guy now at the destination, which is already programmed into here. And you're gonna unload the trunk and put it into the storage unit.
Why? What's in the trunk?
Yeah, show him, of course.
Evan, you don't have any head stuff like aversion of blood, gore, anything like that?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
Why do you ask?
Shit!
Fuck up. This is a white neighborhood. If anyone sees us, they're gonna call the fucking SWAT team.
Who the fuck is that?
Stop yelling.
Evan. This is not a problem.
I'm a minor. You can't do
Stop saying you're a minor. Oh my god. Okay. Promise me, you'll never, ever say that shit again. And promise me that you're gonna be cool. Because guess what?
What?
I'm going to pay you $3,000 to drive this car to a destination in your calmest, coolest way. You're gonna drag this body out of this car into a storage unit, and then you never have to see us again.
Can I have gloves?
No. Kidding. Ryan?
No. Fine.
Thank you.
Happy trails.
Fucking amateur.
Think it's gonna work?
No. I think it's gonna do something, but honestly, it's up in the air.
Why do we do it then?
I don't know. You're the boss.
When are you gonna start being yourself again?
I don't know. Not now. Not during all this shit.
The guys don't like me. Well, don't like me in charge.
Frankly, I'd be surprised if Oliver liked anyone at all.
Him and Adrian get along.
It's because we put him in the same fucking car all the time. This goddamn Mini Cooper.
Fucking psychopath drives a clown car. We should just sell that shit already. Stop putting bodies in my trunk.
I understand how that could be a problem.
You just don't give a shit about anything, do you?
No, I do. I just don't know what to do anymore.
Focus on yourself. You're healthy, you're well off. It's all existential bullshit now.
Whose car is that?
Why?
She was a middle-class girl. She was in over her head. She thought she could stand up in the deep end. He had a bulletproof smile. He had money to burn.